let me ask you a question. Do you think the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has the best camera on a phone right now? And do you think it takes the best photos in auto mode compared to, let's say, other available phones? So I've got a little comparison here for you that I want you to comment on down below. Tell me which one you prefer, and we're going to come back to this later in the video. I love a lot about the phone, the screen, the haptics, the solid performance, along with very good battery life. A big thank you to Snapdragon for that. And then it's having features like battery bypass and even DeX, which is something Samsung just don't market enough. But this is an Ultra. All of those things I'm positive about, I could quite easily get with an S23 Plus. Minus that 10x telephoto, of course. So what are you really getting by going Ultra? Of course, you get the S Pen. This is something that those who want a Galaxy Note would buy one for. I am not one of those people. I've used it once and then never touched it again. It is my opinion that an Ultra should be focused on other features. Cameras, 200 megapixels, moonshots, powered by artificial intelligence.
AI!
This is what people are actually upgrading to the Ultra for. It's basically the only thing that Samsung has been marketing. Frankly though, I am disappointed. Honestly, the MP in 200 megapixels must stand for mediocre photos. You take 200 of them, and you wonder why you even bothered buying the phone in the first place. And on that note, we're going to go back to the question at the start of the video. 3 photos, and I'm now going to reveal what took them. Now, I will just say that this is with the auto mode on all 3 phones, with no changes in post to the images. But are you surprised? It's entirely possible right now that you're thinking, well, this is just one photo. It could easily be just a one-off. Well, unfortunately, I have many more of these. There's no situation here where the Samsung is even acceptable to my tastes. I concede that your taste might be different. I definitely appreciate Samsung's improvements to the optics and the coatings this year, but they really need to get on top of this processing. It's not a good look when the phone that everyone says can't shoot auto is beating it in most of these scenarios. That's a phone from last year. The Pixel 7a, which is Google's latest budget entry, is doing what Pixels do best and providing a very well-rounded image that is very pleasing to most people, is also beating it very easily. I actually ran some polls on Twitter for this as well. And again, in every single one of those polls, the S23 Ultra lost, and it lost badly. Same issue every time, lack of highlight control and overexposure. And it's really exacerbated when you're in bright sunshine. I'm just extremely frustrated with it because I genuinely love the phone. The camera UI is also another minor gripe. The other camera-related snafu is the fact that I have to install another app to make the system usable for me. Camera Assistant allows you to alter numerous things like auto HDR, how the shutter button reacts when you touch it, and capture speed. I'm going to go over this app a little bit more in depth and the settings that I use specifically because I feel it improves the experience quite a lot. But again, Samsung, why are these settings not part of the regular camera app? Anyway, for now though, I'm going to let you mull this over. Any questions, please hit me up in the comments or head on over to Twitter and you'll find me there under the same name. Stay grounded. I'll see you soon.